Hello, and welcome to the Minnesota Woodland Owner Workshop Series about woodland planning and finances. I'm Matt Russell with the University of Minnesota Extension. This program is brought to you by several organizations in Minnesota, including Extension, the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources, the Minnesota Forestry Association, Minnesota Women's Woodland Network, St. John's Outdoor University, and the Minnesota State Horticultural Society. We have three great presentations for you lined up. First, Amber Roberts and Samantha Roth with the University of Minnesota Extension are going to talk about getting the conversation started about woodlands and finances in your property. Then Andy McGuire with the Minnesota Department of Natural Resources is going to talk about woodland stewardship plans and about financial programs that are offered through the state. Following that, Christine Ostern with the Minnesota DNR is going to talk about conservation easements and how those might be right for your land. And so as you go through the videos, we encourage you to ask questions by typing them into a form. And so you'll find a link to that form beneath each video in the information. And so when you type those questions in, we'll relay those questions to the speakers when we meet together as a group on January 19th. And so as you type those questions in, we'll be the first ones to answer them on that event on the 19th. There are also additional resources in the links that you'll find underneath the YouTube video. And so with that, we thank you for joining us, and we hope you enjoy the presentations, and we hope to see you on the January 19th event.